Just going through some of the different ways that I chuck stuff around. A lot of different things that you've probably seen before. These clear pouches from Target, super cheap. This is just how I keep shit from getting too crazy in my center console, my car. Basic stuff, chapstick, flashlight, corncob pipe, knife, lighter, stuff I might want, but I don't really need. Just like I said, so it's not all loose. This is something I got at Sierra, super cheap. It was on clearance. Just something I figured I can chuck in the back of my Jeep. It can roll around, it's metal. It's got a flashlight built in. It's just kind of a, I don't know, I thought it was kind of a neat little thing. It's got little guys in there that you can store different things in. I think I got paracord and a little multi-tool, like a bike tool. I put tinder and there's a little one for pills if you have any kind of like blood pressure, heart pills, anything like that. Opens both ends. You can get rid of all these things and store something big, long in there. It's got little O-rings, seals pretty tight. It's probably relatively waterproof, might float. Classic kind of Maxpedition pouch. This is probably what a lot of folks run, something like that. Little pill on the outside. I think I got some new skin in case you cut yourself. A little screwdriver bit. I can't remember if I rated this thing. A little fire starting kit. Tiny knife. Fire starter. I wonder what else I've got in here. Lighter maybe. Yep, lighter. Just your basics. This is probably something just to throw in your pack if if you had a bug out pack or whatever, but just things you might need. Small little channel locks, little pliers. This is obviously Condor, not Maxpedition, but same concept. Obviously you can snap it to maul, connect it to your backpack, however you want to deal with it. Then here, double zipper pouch from Hanks by Hank. This one's pretty classic. It lives kind of in my Jeep, kind of in my toolbox, and then also it's got little attachment points so I can attach it actually underneath the top bar of my bike when I go bike fishing or things like that. Got one of these meme tools. These are super handy. Small little ratchet, tons of little bits. Kind of run this more often than probably a Leatherman. I think this is kind of a nifty thing. I think last time I used it was changing a battery with my brother. A little pocket knife, leather pouch, your classic little Nipex Cobras. Could have little pliers again if you need to get a little bolt on like a battery terminal. Nut drivers for that. Pry bar from Chuck Richards. Flashlight. Metric 1/4-inch sockets. Again, there's a little connector in that for that tiny little guy. Can't remember if I have anything. Fishing hooks, fishing wire, fishing line. So this is a nifty little thing. It's bright, so you don't lose it if you leave it open. Holds a lot of junk. Not too expensive, handmade in Minnesota from Hanks by Hank. It's some sort of fancy fabric reinforced with these little triangles. It's a nifty little gig. Again, pry bar, titanium, Chuck Richards. I don't know exactly what these go for, but they're handy. I think you can see last time I probably was opening a paint bucket with it, but find yourself lots of little handy things these things can be used for. So if you don't have a little pry bar like that, good. That's just some of the basic things that I'm carrying around and trying to keep my car and tool bag from getting too crazy with loose tools. Thanks for checking it out.